Well, here's our airplane seats. Got them from this random warehouse in the middle of nowhere. Hey everyone, Jim, Midnight Road Garage, and today we're going to clean those airplane seats you see over my shoulder. So not only do I make YouTube videos, but I'm also a fan of YouTube. And there are several YouTube channels that I watch. One of them is called the Detail Geek, and I got some of his product right here. We're going to try it out. So here's our airplane seat. Now, you might be asking, what am I doing with an airplane seat? Well, mostly I got it because I saw one on Marketplace. It was really cool, but it was, I don't know, like $400. I mean, it was perfect, unlike this one, which is covered in stains. Now, this one was only 50 bucks, and I also got a free humongous checkered flag, which you guys will see at some other point. I thought, hey, this will be a perfect opportunity to get some product from the Detail Geek and see how well it works. Here's our box. Let's see what we got. Okay, so as you can see, I got some general purpose cleaner. I got some of his green brushes, and then it looks like it came with a dilution mixing bottle. So that's pretty cool. I'm glad it came with that. That means I don't have to use my spray 9 bottle that I keep reusing. So in addition to these items, we're also going to be using this Bissell extractor. It'll be the first time I'm using this, so we'll see how well this works. This is something I got based on the Detail Geek's recommendations. We do need some Diet Dr. Pepper because I need the caffeine. And I'm going to be using this Milwaukee M18 Impact with the green brushes. You could use a drill, a DeWalt, or a Makita, or, you know, pick a brand, use it. Might not want to use a Ryobi, but anyway, let's get started. And Ryobi fans, I'm just kidding. So first, let's mix up some of this all-purpose cleaner. Now, as you can see, it says here, heavy strength 4-to-1, medium strength 10-to-1. I'm going to go ahead and guess that we should probably just go ahead and skip right to heavy strength. So let's take a look at our other bottle. As you can see, this is already marked for 4-to-1 or 10-to-1. We are 4 parts to 1 part of cleaner, so we want to fill this line here with water. So we're going to put water in here first, then we will add the general purpose cleaner the rest of the way. So you can see that water level is pretty close to the 4-to-1 mark. So now we'll just go ahead and pour our solution in. Spill half of it over the old hearse. Alright, that should do it. Next up, we need to use the drill. Now you might think, hey, that brush looks like the ones you can buy on Amazon all day long. Why'd you buy it from the Detail Geek? Well, here's why. I can either support Jeff Bezos, who does not need my support, or I can support Mitch, the Detail Geek, whose channel I watch all the time. Here are the other brushes that came with it. We're just going to be using the one. But so the directions are pre-treat and then agitate with the brush, making multiple passes, and then extract, which is exactly what we're going to do next. So I'm using a Detail Geek all-purpose cleaner because I've seen him use this in his videos. I'm going to go ahead and spray this one and then spray the back as well. And may as well spray this one too. If this works, I will be impressed. Let's let that sit for a minute. Okay, so bad news, we're not using the brush. Yeah, here, take a look. As you can see, it pulled up that fabric right away. So I'm going to use this brush that I use for cleaning cars just to agitate it, and then I'm going to try the extractor on it and see how that works. It definitely did take the dirt out. That is for sure. So the cleaner works great, but the brush is just too stiff. I might have brought the wrong one. Maybe I was supposed to get the white one. Maybe the green one's for carpet. I have to check his website a little bit better. You know, one thing about these seats is, if this doesn't work, they just kind of come off. Okay, so clearly I am not Mitch the Detail Geek. No, not at all. That guy, he amazes me every time I see him clean a car. I didn't do you justice, buddy. It didn't come out perfect, let's say. But it's a heck of a lot cleaner than it should be. And that I got it this clean, I mean, if you ask any of my friends, they'll tell you I'm not the greatest at cleaning. So if I can get it this clean, imagine what someone who really knows what they're doing could do. You know, this entire seat, both of these seats were covered, and you can see there's still some stains here that I just couldn't get out. But you know, I got most of it out. Hopefully this is where I screwed it up is not going to be too bad. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's not that bad. Back came out really nice. One of the things that Mitch does at the end of all of his videos is he does a dirty water pour. Look how nasty this stuff is. Isn't that gross? Now, he always pours it from a Home Depot bucket because he has like tons of these that he empties. I only have the one because I just had the 2 seats, but he does entire cars. So he empties Home Depot buckets. I'm just going to empty this into a Home Depot bucket. Check it out. Yeah, that's pretty gross. That's pretty nasty. So his general purpose cleaner definitely works great. The Bissell extractor works great. The brush works too good on my seats, but I'm sure it's fine on carpet and things like that. A+ for all of his stuff. And now I'm gonna check out my airplane seats. It's not dry yet. See y'all down the road.